Hi guys, postman's bin. Got two items. Cable. Pretty sure this is JST connectors, which is why I've written £3.57 on the front, because that's how much I paid for some JST connectors from AliExpress. I may be wrong. I don't know, I might be wrong. It might be something else. I just looked at it and made a guess. Feels quite heavy. Yeah, it is JST connectors. I ordered them with longer leads than I normally get. I get through these quite quickly, one way and another, with all the hobby grade conversions and that sort of thing. So I use these connectors on the motors. Yeah, they look quite nice. They look like nice thick wire on them as well. So, JST connectors. And then this, which has just arrived via Hermes. Did I say AliExpress for them? I've started buying stuff off AliExpress. I don't like it, because I don't particularly trust them, but so far, in the last few orders, they've all delivered. Right, this one's from eBay via Hermes delivery. Feels like it's in a mess. I know what it is. £8.99 I've written on there. The prices I'm quoting are what I've actually paid, including any postage or tax, as they're now remembering to put on them. Yeah, right, they didn't do very good on the packaging for this one. That looks pretty crushed, doesn't it? But I don't expect that's a problem. It is only one of these things. I used to have one, and I needed one. I needed different sized plugs on it. I can find that, which is the set of the plugs or the adapters, but I couldn't find that bit, so I've actually been forced to buy one. This one's got a USB on it as well. So you set the voltage just by turning that, so it's set to 3 volts at the moment, and decide what size plug you need. One thing worth knowing is this one should be, I can't remember now whether it's centre positive or centre negative, but you do need to make sure you get the right sort, otherwise you're sticking the reverse voltage on it. But it's under there where they've stuck Lipo over it, so you can't actually see. DC tip, it gives you the different sizes, but it doesn't say whether it's positive or negative in the centre. That's a bit naughty, not telling you. It says 30 watts. And these are designed so you can't put them on the wrong way round. And that's for setting the voltage. Cool, that's tight. That does turn. Very positive click. Give it that. I wanted a 6 volt supply for something. I actually found one in all my other bits and pieces, but it did mean that I should have had one of these. Cool. It's all very good putting them in there, but that's a bit, yeah, they've designed, it's got a big hole and a small hole, or a big peg and a small peg, so you can't put it in the wrong way around. Can't get it in at all, to be honest. Oh, there we are. Okay. And those are the opposite way around. Are they? Or aren't they? No, they're not. I wonder if they'll actually fit, just out of interest. I wouldn't expect them to, but no, they're not going to fit on there, because that's got a shroud going the opposite way. Yeah, annoying that was. No idea where it is, but I've got so much junk, it could be anywhere. I just decided it was quicker to order one off eBay and get it replaced than spend ages hunting. Yeah, okay, there we go. So I don't remember whether they're centre positive, centre negative. I could plug it in and have a look, couldn't I? Alright, put the meter on it. So, centre positive, 6.18, that's not bad. So yeah, it's centre positive, is what I was talking about. Okay, looks like it works. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.